If you clicked on this video, I am sure you did that because there is something maybe wrong, or you think there is something wrong with your trading and you're not profitable, so you're looking for a solution for that. And that is why I'm making this video today, because I want to tell you the things that you know but you overlook, and those are killing your success when it comes to this trading business. And apologies, before you click out, just wait. You're not seeing fancy graphics here on this video, you're not seeing fancy editing, and this is just me being raw. And who am I to tell you this? Well, I've evolved so far in the journey of trading, and I think I've come to the stage where I can talk to people about trading confidently, and that is why I am recording this video, and that is why you are seeing this video and watching it right now. So here is the thing: before you decide to click out of this video, that's what I mean, just hear me out, hear what I have to say. It might not make sense, but just try to hear me out. Maybe someone somewhere will validate it when you hear it again somewhere. Anyways, here's the thing: there are three key major things that are keeping you down from achieving your trading success or from becoming a successful trader. And those things are things you see every day, you do them every day, you encounter them every day, but you've not had this knowledge of how it should work, or what you should be doing and what you're doing wrong, and differentiate between what you're doing wrong and what you should be doing correctly in order to up your game, or to reach that financial state where you gain your freedom to do what you need to do and what you have to do. Anyways, I am bringing this video to you because I know you really need it, and I thought it wise to share this knowledge with you guys. So every day anyways on this channel, I do daily market outlook where I analyze the charts, I show you trade setups, and I'll tell you about the profit opportunities and every other thing in between. So if you like this video, you can do well to check out my other videos, and you can also subscribe because it's gonna worth it. Anyways, with that being said, let me hop on to the main topic of today, which is the three key reasons why you are not yet profitable and you're not yet where you want to be, or the levels you want to be as a trader. Number one is you always feel and think you have to milk the market dry every day or whenever you trade before you leave. You always have that feeling and that mentality that you have to make sure you close that trade at the tip of the candle close. You think it is your right, or it is your duty not to leave out money on the table. So it is your right to make sure you ride every move till it's peak or till it's bottom or whatever. You think it is your right. No. That is one key major thing that is keeping you far away from your trading success. Listen, let me use this analogy here as an example. I took this trade from here, took it down from here, going up, and I was in profit. I took it together with the US 100, took them both buys. Okay, I took them, so they were going quite fine. So at some point here, and on this one at some point here, I closed the trade. I knew it was gonna go up quite some more. That's one option. I also knew it could turn since it had already broken this top. So it could also turn, since it had already broken this stop or retested it, it could also turn from there and give us this move. So I had to exit, one, because I had to go to bed. I was very weak, and instead of me leaving this trade or putting my take profit and hoping that it comes to break this stop, I'm just giving you an example of what I mean. I cut the trade short here, booked the profit on both of them at the same time, and went to bed. I left the market, even though I know this was going up some more. This one was going up some more, and the other one also was going up some more. I had to just close it, and that is it. If I had left this thing, it would have gone up, right? Fine, lucky me, wow, bingo, I made some more money. But what if I had left the trade and came up here to see that the market or the price is down here, taking me out, and that is it? You now understand why you don't necessarily need to milk the market. It's not your duty, it's not a priority. You just do what you have to do, take the one you have and get out. And that's how you protect your capital. That's number one. Number two is you do not know how to close trades. Oh, I know this one might sound very simple and basic, but it is very deep, I tell you. You don't know how to close trades, and that is a problem, a big problem. Now, closing trades are more primarily pointing at what you do when you're in losing trades, or when you're in a losing trade. If you had this entry here like I did, and it went your way, yeah, bingo, you made money. What if you had it here, it came, it took you in, and it started doing this, started even doing this? What do? Would you wait for it to move back up? Do you know what the chart is even doing before you decide to leave the trade open or close it? Do you have an idea of what you should look out for? And that is it. That is one of the things that are keeping you behind and also hindering you from that success milestone you want to achieve through trading, or with trading, or in your trading business or career. You don't know how to close trading. This is so simple that traders overlook it, but this is the key major point or key major area of your trading failures. You don't know how to close trades, and that's a skill every successful trader knows. You close too early your profits, close them too early, you can't hold, and then your losses, you hold them, and that is what is keeping you down. You hope that your losses will come back to at least break even before you close, and then you close your little profits because you don't want them to retrace, and then you give back your profits, so-called profit made, back to the market, and that is what is keeping you down. You need to learn how to close trades. Learn the skills of closing trades. It will take you far. The third one on this list is that you're always greedy at the wrong times when you shouldn't. You are greedy at the wrong times when you shouldn't. Listen, all of us are greedy. We are all greedy. But people who know this business, people who know and understand this game, know when to be greedy and when not to be greedy. When the market is 50% certain, 50% uncertain, reduce your risk. If it turns out that it is going in your way, use or take advantage of buffers. So you risk too much when you should be reducing your risk, and you reduce your risk when you should be increasing them. That is another point that is keeping you down. So you need to work on these skills. Always feeling and thinking that you need to milk the market every time. Always closing the trades at the wrong time, meaning that you don't know how to close trades. And number 3, risking at the wrong times. Try as much as possible to work on these things. Listen, success is individual. A mentor can teach you, a mentor can impact his knowledge into you, a mentor can transfer his knowledge. A mentor can never do the work for you. You have to do it yourself. You owe it to yourself to be successful. The mentor doesn't owe you anything to be successful. He only does what he has to do, and you do the rest. So I hope this makes sense. Again, I am GAD God, and here on this channel I post daily market analysis, structures, trade opportunities, profit opportunities. And if that is what you would want, at least to keep you abreast, to keep you afloat, to help you be in the game and be in that mindset, if that is what you really want, then you want to subscribe to this channel, because that is exactly what you're going to get and even more. So if you listened so far, if you watched so far, thank you very much for giving me a listening ear and your attention, and do well to subscribe. I'll see you in my subsequent videos.